What's going on, y'all? This is Chris and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be meal prepping for the day. I'm going to be showing you how you can meal prep. It only takes about 45 minutes and you'll be set for the day. You'll be able to go to work with your food and be able to come home to some food. And this is food that you made, you know what's in it, and you can stay on your goals. So we're going to be making sweet potatoes, chicken tenders, and I'm also going to be juicing cucumbers, celery, and apples. So we're going to start off with the sweet potatoes. As you can see, I'm peeling the sweet potatoes and I'm throwing it in the air fryer for 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And while that's in the air fryer, we're going to be getting our chicken tenders ready. And we're going to be seasoning it, which is the most important part because we got to understand the seasoning is what causes a lot of these health issues. So be cautious if you're putting any salt or if you're putting any sodium on your chicken. So for this meal, I'm going to be using salt, pepper, oregano, and some paprika. Then I'm going to be putting that in there with the sweet potatoes when the sweet potatoes is halfway done. That's so everything could be done at the same time. All right, so while that's in the air fryer, we're going to juice. So you're going to bring out your cucumbers, your celery, and also your apples. So this is pretty simple. You're going to chop everything in half, and then you're going to throw it in the juicer, and you're just going to turn the knob. So there's not really nothing to it. You know, you just got to make sure that everything is chopped down, and after that, the juicer does everything on its own. I will also be leaving the link in the description for the juicer. So if you're interested in where I got the juicer from, the link is in the description. All right, so we're almost done with the juicing. Make sure you add your apples in there, and yeah, just let it do its thing. This juicer works really well. Like I said, I don't have to do too much. You just put everything in there and just let it work. All right, now it's time to test it out. Make sure everything is everything, and yep, it's perfect. So I'm gonna set that to the side, and by that time, everything else should be done. Like I said, everything will be getting done at the same time because because I added the chicken tenders halfway through. So now I'm going to transfer everything over to my meal prep container. And then, yeah, we're going to be set. So like I said, I made enough for work and then also made enough for when I come home, I can have some more. And, you know, you can also make some rice and you can have that also instead of the sweet potatoes. And I'm also taking avocado with me too. So this is everything that I need. Everything took 45 minutes and everything was also made in the air fryer. If you're looking for any healthy meal ideas, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for my Applied 365 Health Reset Meal Guide. It has over 25 meals on there so you could stay on your goals. Also has a grocery list. Everything you need in there so you can stay applying pressure. All right, y'all, that's my time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you hit that alert button so you can stay alert on all my latest upcoming content. All right, y'all, stay applying pressure. Let's get it.